everyone, welcome to chapter 4. In this video I am going to explain about datum coordinate system. These commands are used for creating new datum coordinate system in Unigraphics. Okay, and just to open Unigraphics I will explain how to make this. So file new. Okay, so I just change the background, preference, background. Simply click plain color I change to white color. When we open new Unigraphics, the automatic datum coordinate system will be created at 000. And simply delete this. I will make new one. Right click, delete. Go to the insert toolbar, datum, third one, datum coordinate system. I just reset. First one is dynamic. This is the mostly used command. So right click. So this is a 0 axis, right? So wherever you want to create new datum coordinate system, you can create. Simply move this arrow. This is the y direction. If you want x direction, you can move. How much you want, you can move. So the z direction, you can move 25, 30. So wherever you want, you can move, and simply okay. The new datum coordinate system will be created. If you want to edit, you just double click, and you can edit. You can move. If you want rotate, you can also rotate as per angle. If you want 5 degree, 10 degree, how much degree you want, you can rotate. This is XY plane. In case if you want Z direction and Y direction, this plane you can rotate. If you want rotate x-axis and z-axis, you can rotate. So wherever you want, you can create. Okay, let's move on to the next option. Adjust the next one, invert. Before going to the invert command, I just create one block. I will explain how to use invert command. So I just make one block, insert, design feature, block. Just give the random value 10, 10, z-axis 30. I just make simple block. So I go to the datum and option. The second one, invert. Invert means you can create new datum coordinate system between three phases. If I want here this point, new datum coordinate system, I simply click three phases. You can create new one. 1, 2, 3. So you can create new datum coordinate system between three phases. Okay, that's one. Next option. The next one, origin, x point, y point. So wherever you want new datum coordinate system, you just click the center point of coordinate system. So I'm choosing this point. So then I select the x direction point. So I want this edge x direction. So I just create one point. So y direction point. So I simply clicking. So the new datum coordinate system will be created at this point as per direction what we select. So simply click OK. So new datum coordinate system will be created. Okay, let's move on. Next option, insert datum coordinate system. The next one, x-axis, y-axis, origin. So in this command, you first select origin point of datum coordinate system wherever you want. I simply click this point. So then select specific vector x-axis. So which direction you want to create z-axis, x-axis. So simply choose. I choose this one. So if I want reverse direction, I just click reverse. So this one x-axis. Then specify the y-axis and simply click y-axis. So if I want reverse direction, you simply click reverse. So the new datum coordinate system will be created at that point of the direction as per we choose. Okay, I simply click OK. The new datum coordinate system will be created at that point. Okay, thank you. Let's move on to next option. Insert datum coordinate system. The next one, z-axis, x-axis, rz, and z-axis, y-axis, rz. These three commands are also similar. So I move on to the next option, plane, x-axis, and point. In that command, you first choose the face, which face you want create new datum coordinate system. I select this face, then I select the direction. So I simply select this direction, x direction. If I want reverse, so I can reverse. Then select the point, which point you want. Wherever you want, you simply choose the point. So this point I choose, so I can create new datum coordinate system. Okay, let's move on to the next option. Insert datum coordinate system. The next one is 3 plane. That command is simply select three faces, so you can create new datum coordinate system at that meeting point. Like if I select this face x direction, if I select this y direction, if I select this face for z direction, so the new datum coordinate system will be created at that meeting point of three faces. So this point I can create new coordinate system. Okay, thank you. Let's move on to the next option. So I rotate and F8 I set that view. If you want set the view, you simply click F8. See, I rotate, right? That F8. The next one, coordinate system of current view. If you want create datum coordinate system for current view, you just go to coordinate system of current view. The new datum coordinate system will be created as per the view as we set. Okay, I want missing absolute coordinate system. This means I just reset. The absolute coordinate system means if you choose absolute coordinate system, the new coordinate system will be created at the point of 0, 0, 0. When we open the new Unigraphics, one datum coordinate system will be created, right? As same option, absolute coordinate. Then last one, offset coordinate system. This same dynamic coordinate system, you can create new coordinate system based on origin coordinate system. Like if you want new coordinate system from origin point x direction, y direction. For example, if I want create a new datum coordinate system from origin point 10 mm, x axis 10 mm, y axis 10 mm, z axis 10 mm, I can create. Before I select the reference, I select absolute 0, 0 origin, I select. Then I select I want 10 mm. Then y direction I want 10 mm, z direction I want 10 mm. So the new datum coordinate system will be created as per we given the value x, y, z. This also same. If I want rotate x direction how much, y direction how much, z direction how much, the new datum create will be rotated depends on origin point. For example, x direction I just give 10 degree, so the datum coordinate system will be rotated 10 degree at x direction, then y direction 10 degree, z direction 10 degree. So we can rotate the datum coordinate system. This also same dynamic option. In the dynamic option, we can just use this arrow, we can rotate and move. This is the mostly used command. Okay guys, today the datum coordinate system, all the commands are finished. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.